welcome back to Wanna Watch Me Code. I guess to start off today, I got the riscv chips that I've been working with. Two of the devices now able to talk over the network at the same time. So I can go a little bit into what the issue was and how I solved it. And then now that we have that working, then I want to get Ocean, which is our like little portal type thing for seeing the information about all the devices, make a little better UI for that. Right now I'll show you the current state, where it's just displaying the information that's coming through from the last request, and it'll make a little more sense once I get this all set up. So I am getting the riscv chips out and getting ready to plug them in. So I'll get that done and then I'll show you a little more. But right now, let's go to CD repos, let's go dumpster fire, and then let's go to also Ocean. Okay. Dumpster fire, we can do bond source index and get that up and running, and then Ocean will also be bond source index. And so now Ocean, you can see here connected to dumpster fire. And dumpster fire listens for events from the riscv devices and forwards them to dumpster fire, or to Ocean, I mean. That's where we're at. Let me get these devices plugged in. So got one plugged in, and then get number 2. Let's go here, plug that in, and then let's plug both into the computer. There's a lot of wires here, it's a bit tough. Okay, and they're plugged in, and cool. Now they're both plugged into my computer. Go back to dumpster fire here. We'll wait for the devices to boot up, and I'll go ahead and open up Chrome. Also found this Reddit thing for getting a tool chain installed, so we'll be doing that at some point. And okay, so one of the devices is booted up. We got our little health check event, and the other one is still booting up. It's got a little bit slower of an SD card. Let's go to localhost. I think it's 1234 slash, let's see. Okay, so it's not 1234. Let's go back. Let's go to cat source index. Okay, not that. Source app probably. Okay, and it's 5476. I guess it's 5476. 5476. Okay, and we got our little John here, and so this will just basically, once it goes, we'll print out health check events coming from each of the devices. Once it comes through, let's go here. Okay, there we go. So now we got our information, so I'll copy one of these here, 192.168.19, and we'll go, and the one device is still booting up. We'll go here. Let me zoom in to make it a little bigger. So SSH root at that address. I forget if this is the this is the old IP, so not the one I updated the code for, but we can get in there, milk v, yeah. So I guess okay, so the other one's booting now. Let's go to dumpster fire and let's see which IP we got. That's 42. It's really hard to read this, so I want to make that UI. Okay, so 143 here. Okay, let's get it 139, and then let's go over here. Let's go SSH root at that. Type in the password when it loads. It's a bit slow. Okay. Yeah, still a little slow. So let's go here. So we'll go into what do we go into? I think opt, no, etc. initd, which is our init scripts, and then we'll take a look at S00, right? Set IP. In here, let me maybe zoom out actually a little bit. In here, let's take a look. First we have checking the existing IP. If it's set to this, the original default IP, then it would, if it's not that, then it would skip, but I have that commented out. So what we do is we check if there is this IP override. And so this is, if it's set, then it picks that up and gets the current IP, or the overridden IP, and uses that as the IP address. If it's not set, then we create that file and generate a new IP, right? So that's fine. One thing is that basically for both devices, and is this signed in? Okay, so let's do okay. So for both devices, the third subnet was set hard-coded to 42. I have this random number generator type thing that I commented out, which was going to set that to a unique number, but they're both basically hard-coded to 42 for the third subnet. But if you go down here to, is it DNS mask? Okay. Yeah, so here DHCP range is using the third subnet with a range of 2 to 242. And so I guess what that means is it's basically this device will reserve that subnet space. So if there's two of them, then I think what was happening is for an hour it would cache this record, and so the other device on that third subnet was basically being ignored by my computer. So yeah. Let's see. So I wonder. I asked on Reddit, and basically what they mentioned was like it might be this where the masking was say like /24, and it was taking up the whole subnet range. So I asked if I could just basically make this the exact IP of what we had specified up in the IP override configuration, with just the range of just one, basically just that IP address. So might give that a shot, but let's take a look here at the other device, which I have configured. The IP is 192.168.43139. So we go and we do vim, etc. initd S00, whoops, 00, set IP. Then we can go down and we'll see that the third subnet I hard-coded it to 3. And then down below, still have the same DHCP range, but third subnet is different. But I think this is the one that this what's it called? This configuration, right? I think is where that so like basically we're taking up the whole range and it doesn't work. But anyway, I got that basically handled for now, which is the hard coding. Ultimately, I want to update this and test. Oh no, what'd I do? How'd that happen? Okay. Let's quit. Okay, it's going a little slow, but anyway, it's kind of just want to give background for that because I had last week a video where I tried to do that and I figured it out offline. So just wanted to recap where I got with that. So yeah, so now what we're gonna do today is this is the ocean dashboard basically. Is this let me see, 192.168.43. Oh, it does have, but let me see. Yeah, anyway, this is really hard to read, right? So is that saying it internet connections? It has an internet oh, no way. Is it well, it's changing really fast now. I wonder if it's connected to, is this okay, it's 424242424242. Okay. Yeah, anyway, let's get to it. One thing, so let's go to ocean, let's do vim dot. Let's go to source. Let's just take a look at what we got. So we got app. App has index props. I think it's just the controller, right? So got that, and then dumpster fire is this socket, the web socket for health events. Okay, kind of want to rewrite this in using Swizzy web service, but I don't feel like taking the time right now to do that. So this is health socket. Okay, so dumpster fire socket listens to dumpster fire with a health event. And let's see, it sends health event. So handshake. Okay, so we check handshake for the admin to make sure it's dumpster fire with a hard-coded token. And then we allow them to join, and then they send health events, and then we send forward that health event to the health socket IO. Where's health socket? Oh, health socket is okay. So this is like the back end socket for dumpster fire, and then health socket is the one that we actually connect to from, I guess, the browser. So let's see, it listens here, data v4 join health room. Okay, so there's the health room, there's return IO port while core settings, run health socket. So socket, where does socket come from? Oh, there, okay. Wait, I'm a little confused. So we get, okay, so send health event, IO to health room. And IO, where does IO come from? IO. That's a new server. Wait, how do we... Oh, IO, okay, IO, any, health event, any, and we do data, health socket, IO. Okay, so health socket, IO. Where's health socket, IO? Health socket, okay, so props, okay. So we pass that in there, and then here we do run health socket, and then we pass that in, and that's how it forwards it. Okay, makes sense. Okay. Got it. Okay, so then where is, let's go to app. So we got index.ejs, we got a templating engine, and then let's open up views. Views has our actual JavaScript code for receiving health events, and then basically it gets it, it logs it, and then it just puts the stringified props into health check text area. Okay. There's socket on disconnect, and then just health check text area. Okay, so I'm trying to think of what I want to do specifically for the UI. So let's just go. Let's do big on one. Let's go to draw IO. Let's go to I guess 6080. And then we'll do device. I wonder if I can, so this is running on my home lab like server. So I'll just create one. Let's do basic, blank. Let's go like this. So let's make the page. I'm just gonna draw out a little diagram of, let's make it bigger. Let's make all these things a lot smaller too. Actually, I can make it as big as I want. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Let's go here, make that a little bigger. Maybe zoom in a little bit. No, zoom out. Okay. So let's see. So we'll have, let's see. Maybe we'll have like a little thing over here that has like device. Alright, let's do devices, okay, and then we'll just put like a few of those in there. Let's do like host name, IP, port, okay, maybe go like that, put that in there. Let's go down. Do we want it like that, or? And then we'll have like a little drawn here. And this will have, what else will it have? What do we got? We'll have tabs up top. Maybe? I don't know. We'll try it. Let me just copy that. Oops. I don't know why I can't copy it, but alright, let's just go like, just make a bunch. Oh my gosh, this is a little tough. Okay, so let's do like ifconfig net stat. What else do we got in there? Let's go back to here. So we got ifconfig. What is it? What do we got? Hold on, let me. Where's this? Okay. So we got ifconfig top and netstat. Okay. So we'll go here, netstat and top. Okay. And then down in here, we'll have a little just like view of content. Okay, so this might be good. Yeah, and then let's like also do like little displays here. Let's go like this and go like this, and we'll do host name, port, IP, port, like maybe last health check time, and like maybe like a little, let's go like this, let's go circle, and we'll do like, do a little like green, so like if it's healthy or is connected, then it'll be green or red or yellow or something, I guess. So how do I want to make this? I don't want to use React, but like, should I? I don't know. Let me see. What front end does radar use? No, not. All right. Let me do. Let's do sonar. Use. Sonar uses React as primary. Okay. Oh man, do I? JavaScript based plugin support. Okay, I guess maybe I will use React. Alright. So how do we do this? Still want to use the view engine, I feel like, but Alright, let's take a look at React. Okay, so React API reference, let's do, we're in React. I wonder, okay, let's go, so it's, ocean, let's go up, let's do make to React, ls, how do I, damn, I feel like, I don't know. How should I structure this? I feel like React structure. Okay, how to deploy React app. No, I don't want Vercel. Alright, well, you know, let's just get started. Let's go to React LS. Let's do, where's the package structure? Okay, API. Okay, API components. Let's do make their components. Components. Let's do components. It's a capital. Okay, no, it's not. Let's do touch. Let's do, what components do we need? So we need devices.tsx, touch. Let's see what else. We'll do what do we call that, dude? Information. Let's do make their information in info panel, and then do info panel, and we'll do make touch top bar dot tsx touch info banner dot tsx and touch content dot tsx. Okay, oops, let's do touch content dot tsx, remove content dot tsx. Okay, got those, so we got basically all of our components. Let's go, I haven't done React very much, you know, so I might need to, oh dude, it's all functional. I do not want to do this. Alright, so maybe let's start with the easier stuff. Let's go actually to info panel. We're in info panel. Okay, go React components, info panel. Let's do info banner, and we'll do export function info banner, and we'll do export. Where's props? How do we do props? Const user profile. Tic-tac-toe is logged in. Product. Handle click. My button user next state. Do you get everything from state? I forget. Using hooks. Okay, hooks. My app use state second. Can you pass? Okay. Square value on. Okay. Okay, so let's do info banner props. Okay, and this will have what will it have? It'll have host name string. It'll have IP, and host name. Okay, oh my gosh, what the heck, dude? Oh my gosh. Host name, IP, string. I guess I can use string and make that. And then we'll do port, string, number, I guess number, and then last health check date. I don't know if that'll be a date or a string. And then health, actually health status should be a state, I think. Actually, should these all be state? I don't know. Should it? Or should I re-render the whole thing? Interesting. No, because I guess like hostname, IP, port, last health check. Do I want these to be state? Anyone watching know if I want any of this to be state? Because they're gonna be potentially updated. I mean, I feel like hostname, IP, and port will be static for the most part. The last health check time will be updated, and the status might be updated. So I don't know. Let's not dwindle on it unless somebody watching knows or has an idea of what I should do, since I'm not too familiar with React. What is share? How do I share? And then let's actually save this. Save as. Where browser? Okay. Let's do Ocean dashboard. Okay, save. Okay, so it. Okay, let's close this one then. Okay, this is saved. Does it? I wonder if it saves if I. Oh, it does save. Cool. Cool. Okay. Last health check date. Okay, whatever. Let's just do that. And this is that. It's gonna be props, info banner, props. Okay, and then we'll do return. And how do you do that? Return this and go like this. Let's go div. Go div. Actually, do we want div? That'll be I guess props dot host name. Do I do something weird? Okay, so I guess it's this. Okay, div props dot IP div props dot number port and then div props dot last health check. Okay, last health check. And I guess I should give these labels. Should I? Yeah, we'll give them labels. Label. And we'll do host name. Let's oops. Oh my gosh, what just happened? JSX element explicitly is any type because no interface. Intrinsic elements exist. What did I just do? Okay, well I guess it was label host name. Let's go any. JSX has any type of new interface JSX element explicit. What did I miss? Is there? This looks really weird. Oh, export interface. Okay. Cannot find module React.js. Okay, let me install that. Let's go up. Bond install -- save. Save React. Is that it? npm React. Okay, just React. Bond install save dev at type /React. Okay, and now let's go here. Let's save. Oh, do I have to like import React? Date. Okay, so that two date string. Return to date as a string value. To locale string. Okay, to locale string. Okay, and then let's go. Okay, I got that. Let's add more labels. Label. Port. Okay, let's go label. OS IP. Port. And then we'll go. Why is it? Port. Label. And then last health check. And then we'll do div. Can I do like. I'll just do like that, and then do props dot last health check. Last health check minus date dot now is greater than, or let's do last health check dot minus props dot or date dot now dot UTC to ISO string, get UTC minutes, get time, get milliseconds, dot epoch, dot time. Okay, let's just do that, and then do datetime not now. It's greater than, I don't know. Let me go here. Let's go test this in here. Okay, let's do date dot now. Let now equal that, and then we'll do let then equals date dot now. Let's do now minus then. Okay, is that seconds? Let's do date dot now. Is that let's go epoch time converter. Let's go here. Let's go. Whoops. That is milliseconds, right? In milliseconds. Okay. So we'll do. Let's do 60. 1, 2, 3. Can I do like that? Times 5. So let's say 5 minutes is less than less than 60,000. Then let's do V. Okay. Props lot less health check. What do we do? Type of now number. Okay, let's just do let's do now dot to. Okay, to locale string. Let's see. Let's do date. New date. Let's do let now equal new date. Let then equal new date. Let's do then minus now. Wow. Okay, so new date. And can I do let date equal that, and then do return time. Can I do this time less than 60,000? Then green. Where did that? Less than 60,000. Green. Else time less than 5 times 60,000. Okay, and then else red. Oh wait, that. Oh, and then this will be yellow, and then we'll do green, and we're just doing strings here. It'll just print the string. And does that work? I don't know if that works. Okay, so I can't do that. Should I use hooks? Weird. Okay, I guess I'll just I'll do it inline. Let's do this dunk. Actually, can I use a function here? Okay, take that, and then we'll do. Is it function? Can you have get health status? And P. Okay, and then return time. This is red. Whoops. Red. And we'll do type health colors equals green or yellow or red. And that's probably gonna go away anyway. Last health check. Oh, weird. Let's do last health check. Date. Okay, last health check. The right hand rhythm must be of type any. Any as any. Must be of type any. Why? That's weird. Why is the return messed up? Oh. Red. Okay, I got that, and then we'll go down here, go like this, and go like get health state props. Okay, got that. Cool. Okay, so I got that. Cool, got our info banner. Let's go to top bar. Devices. Alright, let's look at now. You do state. State, file structure, tutorial, tic-tac-toe. Button value, board, calculate winners, squares, handle clicks, squares, on play. Let's go to adding interactivity. Okay, so what do we actually want to do? We got let me see. So in React with socket.io. How to use with React. IO from socket.io const URL. Socket. I need server cores. Okay. Use effect set is connected. On connect set is connected. On disconnect. Connection state is connected. Okay, connection state. Disconnect. Okay, let's just try. Can we your first component importing exporting. Keeping components pure. Managing state. Reacting to input state. Choosing the state structure. Sharing state between components. Okay. How do I embed? How to embed React in Node.js page. That's not right, but create React app. Oh, dude, I should do that. Okay, let me shoot. I'm gonna actually run the starter for React. So I'm gonna do move React OG, and then we'll do make dir React. Whoops. React, and then we'll go to React, and we'll do create React app. Okay. Let's do npm init or bun init. Let's do ocean React. Whoops. React. Source index.ts. Okay, let's do bun install React. Let's do bun. Let's do vim package. Let's do scripts. Comma. Let's do React and then React. Okay, quit that. Bun run React. Create React app. No, not gonna work. How do we do create React app? How do you do create React app? React container. Actually, let's go add to existing projects. So say summit, base path, next. Start a new React project. Can I use React without a framework? Okay, so it's next app. Create remix, create Gatsby, create expo app. Shoot. Okay. Should I just make a next app? Should I just finally learn that? Yeah, let me actually damn. LS, let's go. Let me make a new window, go in, make it a little bigger, go up, make dir ocean React. And then let's do create now. I'll try it, dude. Oops. CD ocean React. Create next app. Yes. Ocean React. Would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Would you like to? Yes. Sure. Yes, I would. Should I? I don't know. What's the default? I mean, this default's no. I'm gonna say yes. Screw it. Would you like to use app router? Yes. Turbo pack for next dev. Importalize at by default. What's that mean? No. Okay. Okay. LS. Actually, let's do move ocean React. Ocean React to LS. Ocean React -r move ocean React to ocean React. So ocean React. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We got Let's go cat package JSON. TypeScript, TypeSnap, React on, tailwind. Okay, let's just run bun install, I guess. Since we don't, can we use bun with React? Let me see. Bun with React. Let's try it. Let's do bun run dev. Okay, and what are we running on? We're on 3001 localhost 3001. There we go. Okay, close that out. Go vim source at what's the public? Sorry, vim public. Okay, stuff in there. Source app. Oh, actually, so there's app already. Oh well, yeah, let's just do it. Screw that page.tsx. Okay, there's a big page. It's got stuff, image. Okay. Okay, so let's copy, go up, no, go up once, ocean / React. React OG components, and we'll do that in source. Whoops, source app -r. Let's go ls source app. Got our components. Okay, go. Let's go vim then. Let's vim dot. Go source app components. Got our info panel, info banner, content, info banner. So let's go do, what do we got in page import? So let's do import info banner. Okay, info banner from there. And then what do we got here? What is this? Main. Let's do info banner, and we'll do what are the props? Let's see. Info banner, host name, IP port, and health check. Host name, my host, port 4000. Actually, what port is it? And then let's do last health check, date.now, and then we'll do what else? IP port. Okay, so IP. Let's do IP equals 192.168.0.142. Let's just make something up, and then let's do close that. Okay. Date.now. No, new date. Okay, and then let's go and run that bun dev. Run dev. Ready in 7:20. Cool, and we got it. No styling, but that's fine. It's green. Okay, and then okay, so let's do state now. Let's do, or what do we want to do? No, let's not do state. Let's do content. So content will have export info panel content. props, and we'll do interface, do export function, info panel content. Maybe I should name this appropriately. Void props, info panel content props, and we'll do I will just leave that for now, and then we'll do return div info panel content. Okay. And what are we gonna have? We'll do I guess type content types, info panel content types, and we'll do equals. Is there enums? Can I do? I feel like enum would be nice. Yeah, let's try an enum. Enum content info panel content types. Is it panel? Is it panel or panel? Corresponding spelling panel. Okay. And go here, get rid of that because I spelled it wrong. Panel. Did I spell? Info panel content types. You go here and we'll do if config net stat, and we'll do, what is the other one? Go here. Where is it? What the heck? Okay, here we go. How that? Go down. So we got ifconfig top and net stat. Go top. Okay. Info is defined. Whoops. But never used. Okay, so that's fine. We'll use it. Export interface like that. Info panel. Okay, I spelled that wrong. Why is that like that? Yes, on an empty interface. Okay, well that's annoying. Okay. Let's do ID equals info panel or info panel content container. Go like that, like that, like that. Go like this. Go. Can I have? Wait, switch. Let's go like this. How do you do ifs? Switch case react component. Switch, okay. Okay. Return this dot render switch room from root. Oh, okay. Render content. Oh, do I have to do? Whoops, content. Oh, here. Let's go here. Let's go to info banner again. I want to see something. I think I gotta do this dot. No, I don't. Okay. Oh, is that a class? render switch. This was 2021. Weird, that's interesting. In contrast, I would prefer to on this switch. Okay. Let's go back. Let's do, never mind. Okay. Let's go live config, info panel context, live config. Let's do, oh yeah, it's just for now. Thinking I'll make actual components for this. Div, and we'll do props dot live config. Okay, let's do if config string. Let's do top string. Let's do net stat string. Okay. Props.if config. Let's do, and is it, okay, so comma. Let's do info content types dot top div props dot top. Let's do and now let's do info panel content types dot net stat and do div props dot net stat div. Okay, and then we'll do is it state, like what is we'll do how do you let me save and go info banner, save that, right? There we go. Content type, got that. How do I, what's different here? Oh, okay, so it's actually two. And then we'll do, all right, now we need state. I think we need state. React. Let's do managing state, reacting, use state that. I just typing. Set status submit form, handle submit, disabled status equals submitting, answer. Okay, so let's do import state from React. Use state. Use. Okay, and we'll do use state. Oops, let's do const. Is it const? Yeah. Const selected info, and then do set selected info, and then go equals use state, and we'll do if config. Or should I do none? Whatever. Let's do content panel types if config. And down here, let's go selected info. Okay, and let's go back to the Stack Overflow. What did I do? As I said, unexpected, did you mean? What am I missing here? How do I get state? I don't have to. What is it? Okay, answer. Let me go zoom out. Parsing error expected comma. Expected comma. Maybe do I do this? I'm confused. So I get it's a string. Does it have to be a string? Has its limits and overhead. Each of the answers will be processed and will depend on the current state props, which might not exist. Let's say you want Okay. Let's do. Okay, let's just do. Make them strings. See if it stops complaining. Okay. Let's go here. Oh my gosh. And we'll do. Do what? Okay. I don't like this autocomplete right now. if config top net stat. Assign a value but never used. Okay, I get that, but wait, props is not used. Maybe, okay, I don't know. Props. How's props never used? It's used down here. Oh, because I need this. Can, how do I, weird. Okay, You know, I think I'm gonna get rid of the. Okay, this is fine. Let's do, this is not quite, let me do in, div k, get rid of that, go here. What I'm gonna do, so I'm actually gonna have, top bar, info banner. Let's let me go back to our design. Info banner. Which one's info banner? Oh, yes, info banner. I don't have those yet. Okay, so let's go actually. So we got info banner top bar. We're just gonna make top bar in here right now. Info panel container ID equals info banner container. Let's go div. This will be ID equals info panel top bar. Okay, and I'll have a button ID equal button. This will be if config button top button net stat. Maybe I should make this as button. Okay, and then we'll do on click set selected info panel content types dot net stat, and on click set selected info panel content types dot top, and then this is on click set selected info and then well, what did that just do? On click equals set selected info panel content types dot if config. Okay, on click. Why is that? The void is not assignable type mouse handle event. Type void. Why not? What's it got to be? React on click. Let me also go to here and do enter tag react. Okay, sorry, I just realized I'm doing a lot of React, so I wanted to add that tag there so others can see. Yeah. Okay. My component handle click, console log for. Why is it complaining? Type void is not assignable to type. And element undefined. That's odd. So you pass in how do you pass a property there, dude? Okay, I got it. It's gotta be doot. Does that work? Yeah. It's gotta be a function and not an invocation. It's a little weird compared to vanilla, but okay. So we got that. Now let's see. Okay, and then let's add let's go. Let's do what are we gonna do? Get IP from ifconfig. No, you know what? Let's just try this out real quick. Let's go to page, and we'll do just a little John. We'll do info banner. We gotta go. Not that. Content. Let's go. That's here. Info panel. Okay. Let's go back. See if it auto completes info content. Info panel content. Okay, and it's gonna be, let's do like that. Info panel content, and we'll do ifconfig equals ifconfig equals hello from ifconfig, and we'll do top. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Top equals hello from top, and then we'll do what is it? Net stat equals hello from net stat. Okay, let's go to our page. Recycle use state. Emacs script file has an error. How do you do use state? Import use state from React. It's weird. Use state. An Emacs file has had an error. Content. You're importing a command that needs use state that React hooks only work in a client component. To fix, make the file or turn the use client directive. What? Failed to compile. Your input. Okay, let me just. Whoa. Not what I meant to do. Use state hook within a server command React includes. I don't understand how it's. Okay, I just put use client. Cool. ifconfig net stat. Cool, it's working. Got that done. Doesn't look good, but top net stat config. Okay, let's go to devices, export, interface, iDevices, props. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do export function devices. Okay, and then we'll do return this div. We'll do what are we doing? We'll have let me do whatever. We'll do use client, and we'll do use import use state from React, and then we'll do const devices set devices equals use state of this, right? And then we'll do export, and this might go into another class. We'll do export. Wait, do I call them component in here? Do the page, right? Page. That's home. Okay. Okay, so export device. It's gonna have what will it have? It'll have everything we need. So it'll have host name string. It'll have IP string. It'll have port. Actually, will it though? No, let's just have let's do ifconfig string net stat string, and these will be swapped out with these things eventually. Okay, net stat, and then we gotta do interface, keep forgetting that, and then net stat, and then top string, and in here we'll have okay, let's see. Let's get go here. No, not there. There. Let's copy. Let's just copy this whole thing. Let's copy that. Copy. Actually, can I just copy this? Hopefully it doesn't. Let's go to regex parser, regex tester, paste this in here, go to here, delete that. Okay, and we'll go, is there a host name on here? Let's do host. I don't have host name. Okay, so we're gonna do. Alright, let's do host name. We'll get that eventually. String. Okay. So we're gonna add host name to the health check that we're sending, so that we can just get that directly. I'll do that later, but for now it's just wait, how do you do? Okay, so let's do, how do you do for loop? For loop React. What? Where's that push res? Okay. You can basically use the same structure. I'm like empty body rows, but you can make an array and pass an argument. Okay, let's do devices.map function device. It's going to be device will be device, and we're going to do div, and we'll do device. Is that gonna? It doesn't work. It should work. Okay. Device dot host name. Does any of this have host name? Okay, for now, let's get inet address. Let's go inet address. Ethernet.star. Oh, okay. Where is so net's top netstat TC state TCP 0, 0. Foreign address, local address. Okay, so let's just do a device.hostname. And let's do const current device. Set current device equals use state. Click, go here like that, set current device. Expect that. Expected that. Oh, whoops. Okay. Type void is not assignable. Why is it? Oh, whoops. Return. Okay. Parsing error that. Okay. Function devices props. iDevice props. Let's just do name. I'm just gonna give it that so it stops complaining. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting it's I'm kind of new to React, so I'm trying to figure out the way to structure this. Confused why, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually do div, or no, not div. I will do what do we got? Info panel content. Let's do ifconfig. Current device. Ifconfig. Current device dot ifconfig. Top equals current device dot top, and then net stat equals current device dot net stat. Okay, put this, actually undo, and then we'll do div, and then we'll do, and we'll go here and we'll paste that. Okay, missing key prop from iterator. Let's do ID string. Key prop for element in iterator. Key equals device dot ID. Okay, and then we'll do so net state, not that. And then we'll do this, and we'll do devices, current device dot and that. Is that right? No. Let's go to React state again. Use state typing, null, set error. Okay. So current device. Can I define what current device is? Let's do device. And current device instance of device. That's an interface though. Expression expected. And let's do return. No. Let's do this. Why is it never? Why is... Why is it never? It does not exist on type never. Set type of use state. Oh, okay. Let's do device. String undefined. I guess like this. Actually, I just need to do it once. No, I don't. Okay, solves that. Because we're checking if it's null already. And then, yeah, that should be smart enough to figure that out, right? Okay, and then let's do, let's check out our other terminal. What do we got? Let's go to dumpster fire socket. Let's go to index.ejs, and then I guess we can copy all this. What is that? Source server host. IO server.url path. What is the what? What is it? IO server URL path. Let's go to app. URL path, index props. Where's index props come from? Oh yeah, index props, socket. Okay. Okay, so then yeah, let me just get an index. Let me copy this. Wait. Do I have a okay, that's a script for that. We go here, cat sort views index. Okay, let's copy that. Okay, go here. Let's go. I wonder if this will work as is. I'm gonna delete these. Scared of this. Oh, oops. Let's go. Actually, let's go div. And copy this. Paste. Let's go. Just get rid of this. Let's go like this. Props server.host. And then cat source app dot source. This is ocean. Okay, source app. And then its host is localhost 64. And this. Okay, paste that. Other one is host and then path. actually, you know what? Let me. Let me just follow what okay, it's not seeming to work. I'm gonna try and follow what that example was for using socket IO. Let's do socket IO React. How to use with React. Okay. Use server. We don't do server, do we? IO props IO server socket IO. So that's IO server. Okay. My form events connection manager components connection state connection socket. Okay. Set is connected. Set foo events. Connect disconnect foo. Socket off. Where's socket? Kind of say socket. Okay. So let's just copy this. Okay, go here. Div. Oh wait, no, that's not even in there. Okay, oh, wrong one. V, okay. Let's go import socket from socket IO, is that right? Oh, they got socket there. Where is socket? Connection manager, my form. Socket from socket. Is socket from socket IO or what? Function socket. Socket.js. Okay, socket.js. Okay, so it's just doing that. That's fine. I'll just do this online. Let's go here. Let's do to do pull out into own file. Okay. URL production localhost 4000. Let's comment that out. Let's do localhost HTTP localhost. Localhost 6476. Okay, socket IO socket URL. Okay, and then we'll do, there's use effects, so let's do use effect. Okay. Set is connected true. Const is connected. Set is connected. Equals use state false. Okay, got that. On foo events, function on foo events, previous any. Foo on foo event. Okay, so now let's go back to here, and it's connect health event. Okay. on health event previous any previous value. Let's do set foo events. Let's do set current, set devices. Okay, this isn't exactly what we want, but on disconnect, so on connect, on disconnect, disconnected, set disconnected. Set devices is connected. Let's do health event, and then on health event on health event. What is going on? Oh my gosh. Health event socket.off. I don't get it. Return socket off. Wait a second. Hold on. What is this doing? Return. Oh, that's that. Return off. Okay. Disconnected. Let's do. Let's do let's do div label div is connection active label connection connected connection, and we'll do div, and then we'll do this is connected, then connected, else disconnected, not connected. Okay, I got that, and then where's previous come from? Okay, so let's do Boolean. Device. Okay, any type. This will be, what will it be? Device. Oh, you know what? Device top ID. Host name. Value device. Let's do ifconfig netstat top string, and then we'll do value, we'll do ID, some ID, and then we'll do host name, my hard-coded host, and value. There we go. Props is defined, but never used. That's fine. Okay, let's give it a shot. We need to. What do we need to do? So we'll go to info banner, no page. Okay, let's go to here. Let's do devices, and then we'll do. Let's go like this. Okay, and then we'll do, we don't have to do anything actually, I think. Devices is not defined. Okay, let's check it out. Socket. Okay, I gotta install socket IO. Bone install -save socket.io client. Socket IO. Wait, is that what we want, or do we just want? Okay, we don't want socket. Yeah, okay. So socket io.io-client. Okay, we'll get rid of, where's devices here? Get rid of that, save that, go here. Bone run dev. Okay, starting ready. And we're here, it's loading. Current device. But, how? Maybe it's because of, let's see. Maybe get rid of that. Okay, let's try it now. Nope. Cannot read properties if I'm defined reading live config. But I check it though. No. Okay, let's comment this out. What's the? Oh, it's oh, they're all lowercase. IF config stat. That's fine. Okay. Only render if defined React. whoops. Dude, but I'm so confused. Reading if config. Is it because it's not on the same line? Oh, maybe it's got to be... Oh, you know what? I think it's like this. What was the difference? Oh, okay. So yeah, so I guess it's cool. So now we got what? What do we got? Ocean connection not connected. Not connected, right? Why is it not connected? URL HTTP. Connect, on, disconnect, health event. On health event, set devices, previous devices. Oh, okay, I gotta do value if config net stat use effect on connect, socket off, return socket off, connect on connect. Health event. Socket IM from origin header 547. Okay, so it's the cores now. So we gotta go dumpster fire socket, health socket. I think health socket cores. Let's go here. Let's do HTTP local host. Here's one. And let's close that. There we go. Did it. My hard-coded host. And it's displaying now. We got connected my hard-coded host top stat. Dope, dude. We got a little UI. Looks like shit, but it functions. It's pretty cool. I haven't touched React like very much. So yeah, cool. My hard-coded host config top. That's that. Definitely gotta make it look a little better, but it's looking alright. Okay, And so our keys are not very good. They're conflicting, which makes sense because they're hard coded. But so 227115. What's address? I need address. 42168 42119. Yeah, that's right. Okay, here we got 119.43139. So we got it. That's good. Last health check. Cool. So we got a little UI set up now. We got course configured to allow our new React. What is it? View or what are we using, by the way? Let's do bun run dev turbo pack next. Okay, so we're using Next.js, I guess. But yeah, anyway, we got a little thing going. Looking good. I will take a break for now and maybe come back. But definitely liking the progress I got here, especially since I haven't done a lot of React before. So yeah, cool. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good time. Peace.